In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Tradingview Screener to watchlist stocks, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started. Tradingview is an incredible platform for tracking and analyzing financial markets. One of its standout tools is the screener, which allows you to filter and identify stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs that meet your specific trading criteria. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up and customizing the Tradingview Screener so you can streamline your trading decisions. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. The free version is more than enough to follow along with this tutorial. First, open Tradingview in your web browser. You can do this by typing in tradingview.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once the site loads, log into your Tradingview account. Having an account is essential because it allows you to access the screener and save your settings for future use. As I mentioned earlier, the free version of Tradingview is sufficient for using the screener, so don't worry if you're not subscribed to a paid plan. Now that you're logged in, look toward the top left area of the dashboard. Here you'll find the Products tab. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This tab is where Tradingview groups all of its tools and features, making it easy to navigate the platform. Once the menu opens, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Screeners section. Click on Screeners to launch the Screener tool. Once the screener is open, you'll see a list of trading symbols displayed on your screen. These symbols represent stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs, depending on what you've selected to focus on. The screener gives you an at-a-glance overview of these assets, which is incredibly useful for spotting trading opportunities. To make the screener more relevant to your needs, use the filter options to customize the results based on your criteria. For example, you can filter by price, like showing only stocks priced above $10. Alternatively, you can filter by performance, such as cryptocurrencies that are up 5% today. These filters allow you to narrow down the results and focus on assets that align with your trading strategy. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the number of options, start with simple criteria and gradually refine them as you become more comfortable. Once you're satisfied with your filters, it's important to save your screener setup. Saving ensures that all your filters and settings are preserved, so you won't have to redo them the next time you log in. To save your screener, look for the Save option, typically located near the top of the screener interface, and give your setup a name that's easy to remember. Now, if you want to experiment with additional criteria, but don't want to lose your original setup, you can create a copy of your saved screener. This is a great way to tweak and test new ideas while keeping your original settings intact. Simply duplicate your saved screener and make edits to the copy. Finally, if you need to analyze the screener results offline or want to integrate the data with other tools, you can export the results. Look for the Export option, which allows you to save the data as a CSV file. This file can then be opened in programs like Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. And that's it. You now know how to use the Tradingview screener to filter and analyze stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs based on your unique criteria. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.